Hello. I have brought a special product for you. Product name, Clorox Disinfecting Wipes Value Pack, 75 count, pack of 3, package may vary. About this item. 1. Disinfecting wipes. Clorox disinfecting wipes are proven to kill COVID-19 virus in 15 seconds, clean and kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria with a powerful wipe. Packaging may vary. 2. All-purpose wipe. These all-purpose disposable wipes remove common allergens, germs, and messes on surfaces like kitchen counters, bathroom surfaces, and more. 3. Multi-surface cleaner. Wipes are safe for finished wood, sealed granite, and stainless steel and on non-food contact surfaces in the home, office, classroom, pet area, dorm, and locker room. 4. Disposable wipes. This 3-pack of 75 count canisters easily dispenses disposable antibacterial wipes that come in 3 fresh, clean scents. Dispose of wipes according to manufacturer instructions. 5. No bleach. Disinfect and deodorize with Clorox disinfecting wipes for a bleach-free, all-in-one cleaning alternative that's safe to use on toys and more. Thank you.